Learn how to find your next book using a great feature on the library website. Here we are on the main page of www.kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. Click on the Our Collection tab. Scroll to the side and click on Find Your Next Book. This page has lots of great lists with book suggestions. The feature we're looking for today is at the bottom, called NoveList. Click on that. Enter in your library card number and click on Sign In. Enter in a favorite author or book in the search bar. NoveList will offer title read-alikes, author read-alikes, and series read-alikes for the author or book that you entered. If you need more help with this feature, if you're having problems with technology, or you have questions about the services offered by the library during this time, email us at libraryadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. Until we see you again, happy reading.